Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my year of savings with $100 in prop money. So let's get started with our save every Friday of 2025, which is it is wrapping up. So let's go ahead and excuse me, what is going on with my voice? So let's put in $12. And this goes towards an extra payment towards debt. So 10 and 12. All right. Next, we have our weekly savings created by Norella's Budgets. Let's put that there. We can put that there. Hopefully that looks okay. Not too much of a glare. All right. So what I am doing is rolling a D8, and this goes towards my son's senior year. And we put in a lovely $2. So $2 for this week. 1 and 2. Next we have our icon challenge here created by Save with Judy. $5 for each icon. I am going to do 2 of them for $10. Let's do 2 5s. So let's do, and this also says for his senior year, which is class of 2026. So let me color that one in. And then let's do this one green. Perfect. All right, those 2 are good. So, yep, $10 put into here. Oh, we be almost finished with this. Look at that. And then I will print off. I got to get the one for next year. So this one is also saving her senior year. And let me get my D20. That's a D12. D20. All right, D20. Here we go. How much we going to put in here? $3. Did we do 3 yet? Is it a 3? 3 is right there. So let's do 3. And then you can find this in my my Etsy or in my Kofi. So $3. Let's do 1, 2, 3. I feel like I want to roll again. Let's do it again. Oh, 1. Did we already do 1? Did we do 1 already? Yes, we did. So we just put 1 here because I did already, but we'll save that $1. Let's go again. 13. Okay. So let's do 13. Let me do 10, 11, 12, 13. So let's see how much in total. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, 17. And then we might come back to this and put more. All right, and next we have our, say, 2025 and 2025 created by the Almost Organized Aisle. And I owe this one $37. So let me get 20, 30, 5, and 7. So yes, 20, 35, 7. So that's the $37. And this goes towards my taxes. Yes. Cringe, but it's parts of being an adult. So that's correct. Let's erase this. I didn't forget my little eraser this time. And let's go ahead and scratch 2 more. Let's see. So what did we, I don't remember which ones we scratched. Was it these? Yeah. So let's start here. 1, 2. Oh dear. And it's so crazy because I'm the one who, I bought this as a digital download and put the scratches on myself. And I don't remember what the amounts were. So we got 20. And let's do another one. So down here, so we finished this 2 here. Okay, $23. All right. And then look, guys, next week we will be done. Well, the end of December, because I will scratch in. Then the following week, I will put the money in there, and then we will count it all up to make sure we have our $2,025. So 23. So let me write this $23 on here. And it's so crazy. When I first started this, I should have put the day I started this. I was just looking at this like, how in the world am I going to finish this? How is this going to fit in my budget? But God said, stop the worrying. I got you. I got you. So next, we have our Fill the Jar. And this is created by NASA Budget. Says $100. We are going to finish this. And this is going towards our vacation. So another little $100 going towards our vacation. So let's see, we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ooh, we still got money left. So $6. So let's go ahead and let's do this one here. And like I said, these are small numbers. 1 through 5, I believe. Yeah, 1 through 5. And you see how you can just save $100? Oh, there's a purple there, purple there. Let's put a purple here. All right. What other color? Let's do, can do pink. Let's do a dark blue. I've been having so much fun creating new things for next year. So you guys stay tuned. And let me know down below, is there anything that you guys would like to see? Any games? Any ideas for a saving challenge box, a theme, or anything you want to see? Let me know down below, because I always love some ideas. Oh, I was gonna do that green. Should I do this green? What should we do the last dollar? Let's do a yellow. Oh, I just marked myself. And like that, we got $100 saved. Yes. And this be a quick little catch-all too. So did I got, yeah, so let's make sure we have $100 before I get too excited. All right, let's see. Fill the jar. 50, 70, 85, 95, 100. How did I get an extra dollar? Did I put, hold on. Did I put $120? 50, 70, 85, 95, 100. So I got an extra dollar. Don't know how that happened. I don't know. I'm just going to say it's $101 in here. We're going to say that was just a blessing. A blessing for our Fill the Jar. So that one's completed. We'll go to vacation. Oh, what shall I do? Let's go back to see. Oh, why did I close this? When it's getting down towards, excuse me, I need to take a sip. I've been drinking. I made some fresh pineapple and ginger juice. Ooh, it's so good. Because my voice is like going, I don't know, it's the change of weather. Ohio decided to, dump winter on us. So this is what I've been drinking. Just get some kind of, I don't know, citrus. I just love it when I'm feeling not the best. All right. So let's go back to this senior savings. Because like I said, girl, I need every little dime for this last Chalamas. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. So 16. Do I got a, oh, I got a 16 on here. Should I just roll a D12? Let's roll D12 first. Where is my, okay. Let's roll this first. Look there, we got a 12. Do I have a 12? Did I already do 12? I already did 12. I'm trying to get a number I haven't did. So let's roll again. I know that's cheating. So 8. Did we do 8 yet? No, gosh, come on. No, let me roll again. 5. We already did 5, right? Yes. I'm trying to get 1. We already did. 6. You know what? Come on now. 12. Oh, let's roll D20 again. Of course, I would get 20. I don't want 20. I already got 13. You know what? I'm just going to pick a number because it's not letting me have it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16. And we're just going to do the 16 because the dice won't let me be great. So 16. Ooh, we put some money in that one. All right, and I will count this at when we are finished. This hopefully we'll be finished by the end of December, maybe. If not, we'll just roll this over to the new year, and then we'll be finished by beginning of January or in January. But we shall see. All right, gems, that was $100 put into my year of savings. Thank you, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.